Hi folks, just wanted to do a quick video today regarding what we can put our trust in. Is it the Bible or is it the world? So this video is basically going to illustrate quickly from an article in 2012 how it was perceived then that the water that we have on Earth came to be here. So I'm going to read very quickly from this website. Astronomers have been arguing for some years about comets brought Earth its water. Then in 2011 an international team of astronomers using the Herschel Space Observatory to study comet Hartley 2 published their results on the first comet confirmed to contain ocean-like water. Besides life, the biggest thing that distinguishes the Earth from other planets in the solar system is the presence of copious amounts of liquid water. Water molecules have been found in nebulae in distant reaches of the galaxy, so water itself isn't uncommon in the universe. So it might be surprising to learn that no one really knows how all the water on Earth got here. So what we've got is we've got speculation on how the water got here. But let's see what the Bible says in comparison to water-like comets, see if we can find anything more specific in the Bible. Before we do, here's just a short audio to confirm what I've said.
Earth, sky.
An international team of astronomers have found the first comet confirmed to contain Earth-like water.
This discovery supports the idea that billions of years ago, a bombardment of Earth by comets might have brought Earth its water. These results appeared in October 2011 in the journal Nature. The scientists used the Herschel Space Observatory to study Comet Hartley 2.
So what it would appear, to all intents and purposes, is that there's a reasonable scientific model, because we found that the comet, luckily, out there in the vast reaches of space, and this comet, luckily, another cosmic coincidence, has been found to have ocean-like qualities. So on the outset, I suppose, you could formulate an opinion around that. So let's compare it to what the Bible says. In Genesis 7:11, in the 600th year of Noah's life, in the second month, the 17th day of the month, the same day were all the fountains of the great deep broken up, and the windows of heaven were opened. So, the only point I'm making with this verse is we're told that there was water underground. So the Bible, going against what the world states, water underground. Now, this is further confirmed because we can go to Psalms 33:7, and it states, He gathereth the waters of the sea together as an heap, He layeth up the depth in storehouses. So once again, we know where the waters of the flood came from, because it's the storehouses of water underground, not icy comets. Now we can read even further, and in Job 38:30 it states, the waters are hid as with a stone, and the face of the deep is frozen. So what we have is we have a huge quantity of water underneath us, which is where the flood took place from, along with the rain. Underneath is the water which is described in the Bible here as hidden as a stone. Underneath that, the face of the deep is frozen, which matches up with the Genesis account. So, there we have it. Absolute, conclusive proof that the masses of water are in fact underground and hidden as a stone. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to give the evidence. Here you go. So I'll read the article from New Scientist. Massive ocean discovered towards Earth's core. A reservoir of water 3 times the volume of all the oceans has been discovered deep beneath the Earth's surface. The finding could help explain where Earth's seas came from. The water is hidden inside a blue rock called ringwoodite, that lies 700 kilometers underground in the mantle, the layers of hot rock between the Earth's surface and its core. The huge size of this reservoir or storehouse throws new light on the origins of Earth's water. And here we can see how that water is stored in a rock called ringwoodite. So according to genuine science and not made up space science fiction science, we can establish that there is a reservoir or storehouses of water 3 times the volume of all the oceans that has been discovered deep beneath the Earth's surface. We also know through science now that the water is hidden inside a blue rock called ringwoodite. So the water is hid as a stone, and the storehouses of the deep, as the Bible has claimed, is absolutely correct. So my advice is just believe the Bible, because anyone who may have passed away before now, anyone who's died right up until the time this information has been released, if they didn't believe the Bible, they would have believed the official story of ice comets or watery comets. They would have died having the incorrect information. And we can place our faith in the Bible. And these are just more examples of how much we can place our faith in the Bible, because true, testable, observable science completely links up with what we are told in the Bible.
Yes, science!